everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Chrysler 300 convertible. Awesome car, guys. I actually sold this car a couple years ago to a buddy of mine here locally. He's had it ever since. Great car, man. Nice little history to it. Car originally came out of California. And like I say, he's had it for the past couple of years. Car runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight California body. Some documentation. I know the car's got two broadcast sheets. Some stuff like that. It's got the matching numbers. 440 cubic inch engine in it. Automatic, factory color combo. It's a burgundy with, I believe it's got most of the original interior in it. Car's only got 59,000 original miles on it. It's got the original fender skirts. You can see it's got Magnum 500s with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it, and really just a good car. Fun cruiser. I bought it at a show up on the East Coast, and the guy that I'd bought it from, he used it as a family cruiser. And he had it for several years, and same thing, just to kind of had decided to sell it when I bought it from him. But he was the one who originally brought this car up out of California. It's a little bit of an older resto. You know, you can see nitpick some little things in the paint and in the trim, but still nice car, and really a good driver. Car hits the road good. These big C bodies usually do that, man. They're usually really good drivers. Bumpers are very nice. Slick paint. I wish I could tell you we had a nice sunny day to shoot this video for you, but we may not have one of those for a couple of days. I think this is the original interior, guys. I don't think that's ever been changed. This is definitely the original boot. Power top. Pretty color combo. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that site. I've got probably 10 new cars in here. It's just a little dusty, guys. Probably about 10 new cars I'm getting ready to shoot here, hopefully in the next couple of days. Again, as you walk around, you see a couple little stone packs and things like that, but very nice car. Car's nice and straight down the sides, and that's a lot of car, guys. But again, I got a bunch of new stuff coming. We're actually getting ready to head down to Biloxi for the cruising the coast and had to turn around because of the weather, so. But the good news is I've got a bunch of stuff here to advertise. You can see a little wax in the cracks there, guys. Again, does have the matching numbers, 440 cubic inch engine, power steering, power brakes, factory Mopar radiator, factory air cleaner and valve covers. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. You guys can go ahead and pop that boot off, guys, if you want to. Let me show them the top. Original fender tag. Again, there's two broadcast sheets for the car in the trunk. Car's got front disc brakes. Cool body style. Really a neat car. But that A-pillar chrome is nice. Original mirror. I bet you those are even the original door handles. That stuff's all real nice. Car has been repainted, but it's, you know, it's factory burgundy. I ordered the new Chrysler floor mats for it. Those look like the original sill plates. Again, it is a, that's a boot on this one. So you guys can see the seats are nice. Bucket seats with a buddy seat. Factory dash, 59621. It's got the original radio in the dash, but it's got an aftermarket underneath there. Original owner's manuals in the glove box, so that's probably from the top. Again, it's the original Mopar style top with a glass rear window. Dual exhaust, factory rear end. Just a little wax there, guys. Comes with the car cover, factory jack with spare. Again, here's all the broadcast sheets and some history with the car. Some manuals for it. Again, car cover comes with it. It's spackle coated in the trunk where it should be body color. I think you grab your keys. I think the little lock is latched. You got the keys? I think the little latch is locked. Show you underneath. There's nice and clean underneath. Ugh. Good car. Yeah, I think this is all original right here, guys. Seats are nice, really comfortable. Matter of fact, when we bought this car originally, up at the show, we cruised this car for 2 or 3 days. So I know it's a good car. Like I say, a buddy of mine actually had it here locally, and that's exactly what he said, just a good car. Car's got a good look to it, man. I like this body style. Gauges are working. Go ahead and put your top. You just roll it up a little bit, Nathan. Again, glass rear window. Top's in great shape. That's good. Works excellent. It's got the glass rear window. I don't know if this working was a blower motor. Everything else on it was working.
Radio does work.
Radio does work. Yep, powers up and everything. It's got the hideaway headlights. They work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. That's a good looking car, man. Neat body style. I love the mid-60s stuff. Cars like this, I love them. And like I say, this is a good car, man. Really hits the road nice.